Here comes our new video. This time we bring something new. So without wasting time, let's get started. Today we will make Snow White keyring. For this we need cardboard, scissors, pencil, pen, some rope, a ring, brush and paint. At first, I took the cardboard and draw Snow White with the help of a pencil. Then make the border with pen. Then I cut the figure with a scissor and also cut a piece of cardboard according to the lower part of the dress. This piece gives a 3D look to the character. I scratched it with a pointed scissor that helps me to fold the cardboard. Then I start the coloring. First, I make the color of the body with skin color. Then I paint the dress with cobalt blue. Then I use yellow color on the dress. Then I use the red color on some particular places. And at last I make the hair with black. I make a loop with a rope. At last, I attached a ring with it and the Snow White keyring is completely ready. Hope you enjoyed our new experiment. If you like this kind of content, please like our video, and if you are new in our channel, then don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.